Hey there, it's Lynette Chandler from Thrive Anywhere here with another Tutorial Wednesday segment. Today, I'm going to do something different. Instead of doing a regular tutorial like I always do, I'm going to answer some questions that we often get in our help desk. So, in no order of importance, these are number one, I purchased your product. Now, what do I do with it? Two, how do I profit from this product? And three, how do I sell printables with this? So I often find it helpful to pick an example when sharing ideas of what to do. And that's why in today's video, we're going to explore how to do all that with the Build Recurring Affiliate Income Workbook. And this is an excellent workbook for what we're going to discuss. The very first thing you can do with this workbook is to use it yourself. Just because you purchased a workbook to sell doesn't mean that you can't use it yourself. And in this case, the steps in this workbook alone can help you make that extra money. If you implement the workbook yourself with a higher commission product, for example, you could earn your investment back with just one sale. And also, doing it yourself gives you a better grip on the content and it prepares you for the next step. And that is to run a live workshop. Now, live workshops are very popular because people like having the extra help. The bonus is you can charge more than if you were simply selling it as a downloadable item. And the icing on the cake is live workshops are fun. So you can even make this a daily challenge. And this is what I mean. When I look through this workbook, there are about 20 days of actionable content here. The easiest way is to do a live call every day for 20 days. Now, I know you might be panicking. Oh my goodness, 20 days live calls. What am I going to talk about? It's easy. Every day, just walk people through what you're going to do on that page. Show them how to fill it out, brainstorm stuff with them. And if you've done the workbook yourself, you can modify the pages to add a few things that you've learned on the way. But what if you're not familiar with the subject matter and you're just getting started? The Build Recurring Income Workbook is a perfect workbook for a do it with me type of challenge. And in this challenge, you're not claiming to be the expert. Basically, you're implementing the workbook together. And accountability is a very, very powerful tool. And of course, it's fun. Now, the great thing about workshops around a workbook is that they are repeatable. And you can make this a yearly affair. And you never have to sit and think about what are you going to do next? How are you going to profit next? You know, every new year, summer, spring, whenever you choose, you will run a live workshop based on this affiliate income challenge. The third way you can profit from this and not make extra work for yourself is to sell the recorded workshops during the off season, which means year round whenever you're not running the live challenge. Now, you may not sell this as much as the live workshop, but it gives you the opportunity to make more from what you already have. And if you decide to do this yearly, you can upsell these people to join you live, and there's bonus money. Finally, after doing all of that, you sell your modified workbook as a printable PDF. What you do is you copy one of the pages to keep the design, remove the content and information, and add information that would direct people to your recorded live workshop and also tell them about the live ones. Then you sell this first on your own site. Actively look for affiliates who reach people who want to make money as affiliates to sell this item. And finally, the last step, I would list this printable in different marketplaces. Now, this may sound strange if you're only looking to sell printables, but to me, printable marketplaces should never be your only source of income. Instead, they should only serve as a bonus income source, a place to make more with what you already have. So quick recap. Number 1, do it yourself. Number 2, run a live workshop or challenge. Number 3, sell the recordings. And number 4, sell the printable. And this right here is your roadmap to maximize your profit from one small investment that you've made. Now it's your turn to implement, rinse, and repeat. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more.